Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. This update is for Tuesday, the 17th of October, 2023. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope it was a great trading day for you. Let's go ahead and dive right in and see what candidates we can't find for mañana, for tomorrow. We're going to start off with the S&P 500. So right now, as we watch S&P, we are pressing yet again back up into the recent highs that we've hit. We have not been able to break out of that range. It's 5 days now we're bumping our head on ugly. Ugly is the line. That horizontal blue line in there that I've got snapped, that's ugly. We just can't get past it. It's great that we gapped up today. It's great that we're up 50 points right now from yesterday's close. It's all great. We still have to get above that level to truly get into some bullish territory. All right, with that, let's go ahead and jump in at our first candidate, which is Costco. I'm going to bring it out a little bit. I want to get a better view or a bigger picture of the fib. There it is. I like it. Okay, good. So we pushed up and closed right at this fib line of 572.52, right? So we've got one of two ways of trading this one. If we fail, and it's evident that we've done it before, if we fail, we're looking for the move down to about 565 as support. So what do I want to see? Small move down, retest the 572.5, and fail. My target is going to be somewhere around 566, 7, somewhere around there is my target for my exit. On the upside, which makes this the switchback trade, right? On the upside, we've got 580 and 3/4. So we're looking at somewhere about 578, maybe, is where I would have my target set. If we break out, retest, and bounce, there's the bullish entry into the trade. Next, we're getting ready for Christmas time. It's ELV, E-L-V. I'm kidding on the Christmas part, right? So let me go over here, and I don't want to be ready for Christmas. No holidays yet. Too soon. All right. So there's my entire fib. Getting a little bit old, but it's still valid. So now we're going to bring this in. What a move today. A big gap down and a really nice run. We've got earnings coming up, so be cautious there. If it's more than a day trade, you want to walk away from this one completely, right? So we've backed off a little bit. It's just 4 o'clock right now as we're 2 minutes into this. It's just 4 o'clock now. So if we push up into the 464 level, look for the fail. And my target or my support is at 453.5, my 8 moving average. Going to snap a horizontal line there if I take that trade. At that price, not tomorrow's price, at that price. We're going to snap a line in there. So right about 455, 456 is going to be my target to the downside. On the upside, we're looking at 64 to, we'll call it 84. Just make it easy, Matt. That's about 20 points, right? I need to split that level in half. I need a fibit inside of there, right? And I have it right here. So we're going to pull this back. It's too big of a distance. And listen, you can always go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. I'll leave a link down below and look for the free training series that I do on Fibonacci. It's a 3-part series. Each day you'll get a part with some work, some exercises. So you do that, and the next day you're back in to learn it, and you'll see how and where we apply Fibbits as part of our trading. If we break to the upside above 464.5, retest and bounce, 473 3/4 is resistance. So we're probably looking at about 471 or so, 472, somewhere in there is going to be your target for the potential upside. Last is Goldman Sachs. We've got a really nice fib on Goldman there. Let me just take that out of the way. Fairly new. So we did close in bullish neutral territory right now. If we pull back to the 313.56 and bounce, my target, or my resistance rather, is going to be 318.12. That's my green line, my 21 moving average. So right about 317, 316.5 is going to be my target. If we break to the downside, retest and fail, we're looking at 303.5 as support. So maybe 305, 306. Somewhere in that area is going to be my target to the downside. I would much rather have a downside trade here than an upside trade because we're already in a bearish setup. I'd rather see the continuation to the downside. So if you like what you see, help us out. Make sure you subscribe, follow along here on YouTube or whatever platform you happen to be catching this on. Ring that bell, give us a like and a share. It really helps our channel and helps us with the algorithms. Have a great rest of your day. See you at the next one. Bye for now.